If you can fly at the speed of light per second, where can you reach in the end? After watching this video, you will understand why humans can never reach the edge of the universe. The speed of light is the limit of the movement of objects. Each second is about 300,000 kilometers. In 1 second, you can travel around the Earth for 5 laps. But if you put this speed in a vast and endless universe, it is like a homecoming. However, next we will increase the speed to 1 second per light year. In this way, you can easily fly out of the solar system in just 1 second. After flying for 4 seconds, we came to the half-horse constellation Belen, which is 2 light years away from the Earth. This is the destination of the Earth in the movie Wandering Earth. And this process actually takes 2,500 years. After flying for 8 seconds, we arrived around the celestial star. The celestial star is a blue and white constellation. It is also the brightest star we can see at night. After flying for 10 minutes, we will come into contact with one of the planets most suitable for human survival, Kepler-22b. This is a star 4 times the size of the Earth. High-end extraterrestrial life is likely to exist on it. After flying for 2 hours, we came to the birthplace of the old Eagle star cloud. Because it is too beautiful, it is rated as one of the top 10 photos taken by Hubble telescope. After flying for 5 hours, we came to the largest star so far. Its radius is 2,158 times that of the Sun, which is about 100 times the size of the Sun. After flying for a day, we finally rushed out of the Milky Way. The appearance of the entire Milky Way will be unparalleled at this moment. But this is just the beginning of this journey. After flying for another month, we arrive at the closest big star to us, the Fairy constellation star. Its diameter is 220,000 light years. It has at least 10,000 stars inside. You will see the whole star flying backwards in front of you. After flying for 4 months, we rushed out of the Milky Way. The edge of the star cluster composed of more than 50 stars, such as the Fairy constellation star. The coverage of this star cluster has reached 10 million light years. However, after flying for another 3 years, we found that this star cluster is just the tip of the iceberg of the Fairy constellation superstar group. The coverage of this star cluster has reached 1 billion light years. After flying for 16 years, we finally arrived at the real superstructure in the universe, the edge of the superstar cluster of Laniakea. This is a diameter of 2 billion light years. It contains 100,000 star structures. The Milky Way is just a small dot on this feather. After flying for 1,458 years, we finally arrived at the terminus. Humans have reached the edge of the observable universe. It is about 465 billion light years away from the Earth. But this is not the real size of the universe. No one knows how much space there is outside the universe.